Welcome back to Daily English with Diana. How's everything going? Do you always finish your food? If not, what do you do with the food you didn't eat? Let's talk about that today. Here we go. Number 1, leftovers. Leftovers. L-E-F-T-O-V-E-R-S. L-E-F-T-O-V-E-R-S. Leftovers always ends with an S. Leftovers are the food you didn't eat after a meal. You can put leftovers in the fridge and eat them later. For example, you cook dinner, you eat, but some food is still on the table. The food is called leftovers. You can eat leftovers the next day, or later when you are hungry. You can say, I'm getting fat because I always eat the leftovers. I'm getting fat because I always eat the leftovers. Or, what should I do with these leftovers? Should I throw them away? What should I do with these leftovers? Should I throw them away? Number 2, saran wrap. Saran wrap. S-A-R-A-N-W-R-A-P. S-A-R-A-N-W-R-A-P. Or plastic wrap. Plastic wrap. P-L-A-S-T-I-C. P-L-A-S-T-I-C. Plastic. Here's a tip. When you see W-R, the W is silent. Don't say it. Saran wrap is a thin, clear plastic used to cover food. It helps keep food fresh. Saran is actually a brand name, just like McDonald's. People use saran wrap to cover leftover food, wrap fruits or vegetables, pack a sandwich. It sticks to bowls or plates and keeps air out. For example, you have some leftover rice. You put it in a bowl. You cover the bowl with saran wrap. Then you put it in the fridge. You can say, cover the chicken with saran wrap. Don't put it in the fridge without it. Cover the chicken with plastic wrap. Don't put it in the fridge without it. Or, cover the salad with plastic wrap to keep it fresh. Cover the salad with saran wrap to keep it fresh. So, how do you handle your leftovers? Do you use saran wrap every day? Alright, quick review. What should I do with these leftovers? What should I do with these leftovers? Number 2, cover the leftovers with saran wrap. Cover the leftovers with plastic wrap. That's all for today. If you like this episode, share it with a friend and keep practicing your English. See you next time. Bye-bye.